Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And for today's YouTube episode, you guessed it, another YouTube unboxing. And well, remember that Altec Langting speaker I got? If I'm not mistaken, I must have made a YouTube video about it. If not, I probably didn't. But anyways, that speaker didn't last long. It only lasted for, I would say, 1 or 2 months. It just doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to connect the Bluetooth, or the sound quality just kind of dies out. Supposed to be completely waterproof, but anyways, you know me, I always trust Sony because Sony's from Japan. And I got a Sony Bluetooth speaker here that'll knock your socks off. And there was a smaller one, but yeah, I took this one because this one's way bigger compared to the other one that was tiny. But here we go. As you can see, it does 16 hours of full charge. Bluetooth, obviously. IP67. Wow, it has IP67. That's the highest IP I've seen with waterproof products. It has the rope string thingy-mabob. It has the calling feature. And if you buy another one of these, you could do left and right. Nothing on the side here. Here's the speaker itself. Waterproof and dust proof. Micro USB charging. Speakerphone. Voice assistant function. Long battery life. That's 16 hours. Strap, which I actually seen the strap on YouTube videos, and the strap looks like my Nissan car seat strap. And speaker add functions, meaning if you get another one, you could add it to the set. Excuse me. You could add another to the set. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing. Yeah. Unboxings are cool. Okay, first thing we get. The micro USB cable. I'm sure we all got a bunch of these laying around in our house. This would be this is the quick start guide. This is the manual. And this one is the warranty. Sony always gives you a warranty. And nothing else inside the box. Let's move on to the speaker. I just love Sony, man, because Sony built things that are like superb. Oh wow, just like I knew. It's a car seat type of, a seatbelt type of strap, just like my Nissan. As you can see, my Nissan strap is kind of the same similarities. Yeah. Gizmo. Anyways, let's see. Oh, cool. You could take it off. You could take it off or take it on. That's pretty cool. I'd rather leave it because that's actually good. I could attach it to my bike. Here's the grill holes for the subwoofer, because as you can see, it said it does bass. Let's see, open this. Ooh, nice. There would be the reset. There's the micro USB port. And as always, Sony doing it nice and proud. The audio input jack. So you could connect, let's say, an iPod or something. and then you kind of just squeeze that back in there somehow. Yeah, pretty cool, Sony. Oh, and I love the material. It's like a soft rubbery feel. Wow. Over here you've got your pairing button and the on button. Minus, plus, play, pause. The call feature, like to answer calls or whatever. And this is the add the other speaker left and right. Here's the mic, and then this is for charging, and then this is, I guess, to indicate the power's on. There it is. And well, guys, that was today's YouTube unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll put the link up there so you guys can scoop one up from Walmart, which is where I got it from. But obviously I'm going to be putting the link, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video.